أنا كنون أنا مخدت أوزي قاتمة أنجليزي جامعة. شي؟ أمتوني؟ سات فويز متوني. ياغون روح نداره دیگه. خب رفتیم. Excuse me sir, do you speak English?
Yes, just a little.
Could you tell me how to get to Zabonomu Center?
Oh yeah, it's really close. Go straight on until you get to the crossroad and you will see it around the corner on the left.
Oh, wait a second. Just you said you speak a little English.
That's right.
But your English is excellent.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
I would.
Thanks. But I still want to learn more.
How much more?
I would like to be able to speak without any errors.
Oh, okay, perfect. But come to Zabonomu Center to learn more.
Okay. I will definitely join you soon.
Bye. See you there.